Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pushkara Shinde and today I am going to tell you the information about the CPT. The CPT stands for Current Procedure Terms. These are the terms which are used in the process of medical coding and medical billing, which is related to the surgical which is related to the surgical process. This in simple word, these are the code which is given to the particular surgical operation or surgical process which have done by the physician to a patient. And these are the terminologies which is used to understand the particular surgical related term to all around the world. So the current procedure terminology, more commonly known as a CPT, refers to a set of medical codes used by the physician, allied health professionalism, non-physician practitioner, hospital outpatient facilities, and laboratory to describe the procedure of service they perform. It mainly contains the surgical related the service which is given by the physician to the patient, and these are the codes which are used to produce a service of federal and private payers reimbursement in rendered to the healthcare. So in 1906, the history of the CPT started in the 1966. In 1966, the American Medical Association (AMA) created the CPT terminologies, which is used to standardize the reporting of the medical, surgical, and diagnosis service and procedure performed in inpatient and outpatient also. Inpatient to accommodate the evolving the world of healthcare, including the availability of new service and determinant of the outdated procedures. Among the consideration, the AMA updates the CPT code annually and releasing new revised and deleted codes always batch changes to CPT coding the guide according to the guidelines. The AMA released the smaller updates to the certain section of the CPT code set throughout the year. So CPT codes consist of the 5 character, and majority of the codes are the numeric, but some of the codes have a fifth alphabetical character, such as the A, F, T, or U. So the CPT codes are assign a code of every service provider or a procedure provider performed to CPT. CPT even include the codes, all unlisted codes for those service and procedure have not specifically named in other defined CPT codes. Given the vast number of the service and given the vast number of service and procedure, the AMA organization have organized the CPT codes logically, beginning with the classification them to 3 types. The first classification, the CPT, is category 1. It consists the large body of codes consisting of those commonly used by providers to the report their services and procedures. The second category contains the supplemental tracking codes used for performance management, and the third category contains the information about the terminologies code used to report emerging and experimental service and the procedures. So the main 6 sections of the CPT codes are as follows. The category 1. First one is evaluation and management. Second one is the anesthetic. Third one is the surgical, which further broken into the smaller, further divided into smaller groups by the body area or system with a code range. The fourth one is a radiology procedure. 5 one is a pathology and laboratory procedures, and 6 one is a medical service procedure. So in simple word, the CPT is a kind of dictionary which contains the code which is required, which is which is required to uh, which is required to convert the services which is provided to the patient into the course. And it is easy to insurance company to reimburse their insurance money. So that's for all guys. Thank you for watching this video.